Alright guys, so I came to my location because I wanted to talk to you guys. Before I show you guys the screw up, I wanted to first and foremost say I kind of knew this was gonna happen. Whatever. I attempted to tint my front headlights, and just like the side panel, just like everything else that I try to do when it comes to like wrapping things, except for the interior trim panel was like the easiest thing to wrap. I don't know why, but I'll just show you guys. So this right here is an attempt at me trying to wrap or tint my front headlight. And as you can see, I got this from Lamin-X. It's very thick and it's supposed to protect it from a whole bunch of little things. In my opinion, the fact that it's thick really makes me believe that it can. Like, you can see how thick it is. I don't know if you guys can see, but that'll kind of go hand in hand and show you my screw up. I suck at this. This is just a tap out. Like, I just gave up and said, just like, whatever. I'm just gonna throw that on there. These tabs you cut off, obviously. This was a little lower than it's supposed to be. Whatever. Now, as you can see, there are fingerprints inside. It's all wrinkly and bubbly. It did a terrible job cleaning it, I think. Did a terrible job installing it. Just terrible job all around. I think I'm pretty good with wrapping stuff or like tinting or whatever the case may be when there are no shapes, because I did the side and that came out like freaking perfect, although that was small and easy. Look at that. That came out perfect. However, whenever you have to go around this corner right here or stretch around this bend, or like both at once, you see how it's like the headlight comes up like this and it curves this way and this way. The film's not good for me with that stuff. But I know this is whatever. I threw this in here. You guys could go ahead and say whatever you want about how much I suck, because I know I suck. I'm telling you guys, I suck. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you guys. I'm going to compare the tint for what I did now. I booked a appointment with the tint shop to get this tinted, and before I go on with that, I have to let you guys know something. The Lamin-X company, they're freaking awesome. I called them up. I told them, hey, listen, you know what, I screwed up. Can you guys ship me out another one for the driver's side? They say, yeah, no problem. $7.95 later, it'll be shipped here, 2-day shipping, and that way it'll be ready for my appointment on Saturday for the tint shop to install properly. I like that. It was painless, simple. Just called them up, hey guys, I screwed up. Bam. That's it. It was easy. It comes with a 5-year warranty also. Now the 5-year warranty doesn't cover the screw ups. The 5-year warranty covers if anything happens to the tint. I guess it fades, hades, or it ends up not doing its job. You know, a 5-year warranty on that. So appreciate you guys at Lamin-X. Waiting on the new tint, the film to come in for the driver's side, and then tint shop. I got my tint done at the tint shop before. They did a phenomenal job. So this should be, you know, just the same type of thing. You guys, now this is a direct comparison between no tint and tint. So if you guys could kind of sort of see the difference, gives the car a little bit more aggressive look. It kind of matches the front a little bit more. You see how this is black and it kind of leads into, that's kind of what I wanted to go for. Half of me might want it to be a little bit darker. However, I did not want to sacrifice light output, so that's why I went with this. You guys can see it's like straight up, like no tint and then black grill. You know, it doesn't look as good as tint and black grill. Kind of goes together, especially at night. I'm going to show you guys how it looks at night also. That's pretty much what I was going for, this look right here. Now, I will say, to be 100% honest with you, it does, in fact, in bright daylight, have a hue of blue. Well, it's not blue by any chance. However, it just kind of looks a little tad bit bluish at times. Kind of sort of how like the paint looks a little bluish, even though it's a glacier silver. Kind of more so looks like that. Am I happy with it? I'm 100% happy with it. It's not too much of a tint, so if you guys are looking for something darker, definitely go with the Gunsmoke. Like I said, I just went with this because I didn't want to sacrifice any light output. I'll show you guys the side marker. I'm happy about my side marker job. Like, this is the original side marker. And that's the side marker that I completed. Obviously, you could tell, just looking at the side, this side profile gives it more of an aggressive look off the rip. Like I said, definitely got to paint this, got to clean it. Sheesh, I'm doing terrible on my car washes, guys. But definitely going to paint that gloss black. It's going to go with the tinted side marker. It's going to go with the tinted headlights. It's going to go with the gloss black grille. But I'm going to just go ahead and throw in an install for you guys. Dry it off. Make the 435 a little bit better. You know, I'll be spanking you guys on the highway, all right? Do 40 rolls, 50 rolls, 60 rolls, digs, whatever your style is, whatever is better for your car. You know, I'll be spanking you guys on the highway, but now it's time to look nice while I spank you guys because 435 is looking a little stock. So let me get up out of here. Well, actually, I think I might do a review on these tires right about now. So I'm gonna sit in the same spot and do a review on these tires. I don't know which video is gonna come out first because just of whatever. But yeah, so like I said, sorry about that, guys. I know you guys wanted to see the finished product of the tint. However, I cannot give it to you today because I screwed up and I'm not a professional. But with that being said, if you guys are not experienced in putting these films on your car, don't do it. No, you can give it a shot. Maybe you might come out better than me, but I kind of know. I screwed up so many times, I should know. But yeah, this is a sort of kind of before and after. And like I said, I'll show you guys the same thing at night. You know? And I'll show you guys the finished product too with both. Obviously, I'm gonna try to get some dope shots of it with both. Let me get a corner shot for you guys too. This is a corner shot with the side that's done. And this is undone. Alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching my failure. Just want to let you guys know that I plan on getting better. Thank you guys for watching and peace out.